Operation Shamrock, later known as the French Connection case, was an extensive international law enforcement effort that targeted one of the largest heroin trafficking networks in history. This undercover operation, spanning over a decade, aimed to dismantle the criminal syndicate responsible for smuggling vast quantities of heroin from France to the United States. This video delves into the intricacies of Operation Shamrock and its pivotal role in combating the heroin epidemic of the 1960s and 1970s. During the 1960s and early 1970s, the United States was grappling with a devastating heroin epidemic. The illegal drug market was flooded with high-quality heroin, primarily originating from the infamous French Connection. This criminal network, led by Corsican kingpin Paul Carbone and Marseille-based trafficker François Spirito, supplied large quantities of heroin to the United States. Operation Shamrock began in the late 1960s when U.S. law enforcement agencies, including the Federal Bureau of Narcotics, started investigating the French Connection. Through extensive surveillance, undercover work, and intelligence gathering, agents traced the heroin supply chain from France to its distribution hubs in the United States. Undercover agents infiltrated the French Connection's operations, gathering evidence and building cases against key members of the criminal network. In 1972, the culmination of Operation Shamrock led to a series of high-profile arrests and drug busts. Notably, the seizure of a record-breaking 112 pounds of heroin in New York City's Pizza Connection case highlighted the voluminous scale of the operation. Operation Shamrock relied on strong international collaboration between U.S. and French law enforcement agencies. The extradition process, complex legal battles, and overcoming diplomatic hurdles posed significant challenges. However, the determination and persistence of investigators ultimately led to successful prosecutions on both sides of the Atlantic. Operation Shamrock had a profound impact on curbing the heroin trade and disrupting the French Connection. The arrests and subsequent convictions of key figures significantly disrupted the supply chain, leading to a decline in heroin availability in the United States. The success of the operation prompted stricter drug control measures, increased cooperation between international law enforcement agencies, and a greater focus on targeting drug kingpins rather than low-level dealers. Operation Shamrock, later known as the French Connection case, serves as a testament to the power of international collaboration and dedicated law enforcement efforts in combating large-scale drug trafficking networks. The operation's successes, including high-profile arrests and seizures, influenced drug policy reforms and strengthened law enforcement approaches to fighting drug trafficking. Operation Shamrock stands as a milestone in the ongoing battle against transnational drug syndicates and their devastating impact on communities worldwide.